Welcome to your 10-minute morning manifestation meditation to raise your vibration and attract miracles. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your body soften. Let the day begin from a place of calm. You are safe. You are centered. You are ready. Take another slow breath in. Feel your belly rise and exhale. Letting go of any tension in your shoulders, jaw, or thoughts. Notice your feet grounded beneath you. Feel your spine tall. Bring your awareness into this moment, the only place your power exists. Now imagine you wake up one morning and everything you once wished for is now real. The love, the freedom, the abundance, it is all here. Visualize your future self getting out of bed, smiling, completely aligned. Notice what you are wearing, where you live, and most importantly, how you feel. You are looking at the version of you that has already manifested everything. What is your energy like? What do you believe about yourself? Let that version of you speak to you now. Hear that version of you say, "We did it." You never had to chase. You just had to simply become. Now, repeat mentally or out loud. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me flows to me effortlessly. I am worthy of everything I desire. My energy creates my reality. I trust the divine timing of my life. I let go of control and open to miracles. I am magnetic. I am powerful. I am ready. Now bring that future version of you into your body right now. Feel their confidence in your chest. Feel their peace in your breath. Feel their joy in your smile. You are already them. Now, whisper a thank you to the universe. Not for something coming, but for what is already here. Gratitude is your portal to even more. Sit with this gratitude and breathe deeply. Beautiful. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. Open your eyes gently when you are ready. You've just realigned your energy. Watch the magic unfold. If this shifted your vibe, like, comment, I am magnetic. Don't forget to subscribe and know that you are loved.